What's good, Wealthbuilderz? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, the Von, put in work, Burke. And today we're talking about back to school and inflation, how to deal with it. Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
All right, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video. All right, because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. Without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. Back to school and inflation. How to deal with it, right? How we gonna deal with it? Now, inflation is killing everything, isn't it? From the cost of gas, to the cost of, entertainment and having fun, to the cost of food. And now, the cost of going back to school has hit the wallets of millions of Americans. The average parent spent about $250 per kid going back to school in 2020. But due to the rising cost of things, it's up $270 per child. Parents of children in preschool are planning to spend as much as 32% more this year. And while parents of college-age students will spend about 13% more. The sharp increases in these two groups are partially due to more people entering both preschool and college this fall after putting those plans on hold a year ago. So as you can see, numbers don't lie. There will be more spending, but getting less for your buck, okay? It's the nature of the beast we call inflation. So how do we beat this beast at its own game? How do we do it? How do we slay this dragon that is costing more and more of your time and money on a daily basis? Well, we need to make more money. Concentrate on using your God-given skills and talents to make more money, not get a job, okay? Not get a second job. Don't do that, okay? There are too many things you can do to build a solid side hustle income by just using your smartphone. It's almost ridiculous not to have one, especially if you're like me and grew up with computers and matured with the internet, and as long as we've been alive, the internet and computers have been here, right? So your money should always be going to and looking to outpace inflation and create more money for you while you sleep. It's never been easier to do so in this day and age. You just need to get creative. And if you need help doing this, check out the link in the description below, the Wealthbuilderz System.com. That's Wealthbuilderz with a Z, System.com. With my system, you will learn how to create your own economy using your own talent or interests and the power of the internet or social media apps, okay? I'm also going to give you, give you 3 ebooks, okay? And these 3 ebooks aren't just some fluff or some, just to get you to put your email list in. These ebooks are very, very useful, and you definitely can see the benefit of using them and reading them, okay? One of them is self-discipline mindset, the other is about e-commerce business, and the third one are the 46 life hacks, all for free. All right, so check that out. click the link below, put your information in, get the free ebooks, and get on my list. That's so when the Wealthbuilderz System is ready to rock and roll, I'm going to send it to you, and you can start making this moolah online, all right? So, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work. Burke, signing on for back to school and inflation. What are we going to do about it? But for real, man, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.